All right, beautiful people. So just a quick explanation of what to do for homework. Okay. So far we worked on our thesis, and we know that a thesis statement ultimately, answers the essential question. It outlines the reasons for your argument, and it makes an explicit statement that can be argued. Tonight's homework, we're working on the reasons and evidence part of our paper. We're not at the analysis yet. Okay. Now, just to remind ourselves of what reasons and evidence are, and then I'll put the example back up in order to help you. Let's start here on what they are. So reasons, you can think of reasons as like supporting ideas or supporting arguments, right? Essentially, it's the why or rationale, justification behind your argument. Notice that they may get mentioned, right, in your thesis statement, as they should, but they will definitely be used in their own sentence, topic sentence, basically, in the body of your paper to explain a piece of your argument in more detail and introduce the evidence. Okay, so here's an example of that being executed. And if I read a thesis, even though one might assume South Africa's economy has improved because of, boom, reason number one or subcategory number one, a closer analysis of the data reveals that the economy in South Africa has not progressed since the end of apartheid due to, boom, reason or subcategory number two and reason subcategory number three. Now, notice that it should also not only be mentioned, right, in the first sentence, as I explained in this definition here, right? It will definitely be used in its own sentence, right, topic sentence, to explain, right, the argument in further detail. So here's like the topic sentence. Using the TTQA strategy plus because will allow you to meet the basic requirements as you, right, mention your reasons in the body of your paper. So look, job opportunities have progressed since the end of apartheid because. That's it. Turn the question around and then use because. Efforts have been made to improve, make South Africa's economy equitable and inclusive. All right, boom. That connects to the first reason. Then insert evidence, okay, and elaborate and talk about that evidence. Your second or third reason, if they are related, you can intuitively combine them like this particular student did in this example. But again, you answer the essential question, TTQA, and then you use due to the fact or because, right, to meet the basic requirements as you talk about your reasons in detail in the body of your paper. In addition to that, just make sure that you back up your arguments with solid evidence, okay? So this is the homework. Work on your reasons and evidence. Tonight, spend 15 to 25 minutes doing so. We'll wrap them up tomorrow in class, and then we'll finish with our analysis. Couple reminders. One, there's a lot of information on PowerSchool Learning in regards to historical context that you can use. In regards to the textbook, make sure that you use the textbook notes and evidence, and you have PowerSchool Learning resources as well. And then last reminder, make sure that you refer to the rubric in regards to basic requirements and points. Okay? All right, email me with any questions that you have. Otherwise, best of luck tonight in your homework, and I will see you beautiful people in our next class.